Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. From the title of this video, you can tell what we are about to make. We would be making smoked mackerel. So I got this mackerel from the butchers. That's the fresh one. Fresh from the sea. They've helped me clean it out at the butchers. Looking very good. Okay. Let me just wash my hand before I touch other things. Okay. So for this fish, I would be needing some jumbo chicken stock. Let me just grab a bowl and then I'll put 1 spoon of that in the bowl. Okay. And then I will put a little bit of grounded chili powder just to give it a bit of a kick. And also I'll be crushing in a little bit of this Himalayan pink salt just to give it that little bit of crunch. I'm not going to put too much because obviously the chicken stock has salt in it already. Okay. So I would then be combining all these 3 ingredients together. And once again, I'm going to get my hands dirty. I'm going to put all of this inside the belly of the fish and on the body of the fish as well. Okay, so in the belly first. Look at how fresh the fish looks here. And the fresher the fish, the better. When the fish is old, that's when you find that the skin is peeling off. So this, you could use it to make different kind of dishes. You could smoke the fish and use it to make a sauce. You could actually even eat it on its own or with chips or potato. You can make it into a sauce or a soup. Okay. So now I'm just massaging everything in. Okay. Let me pour the rest over it, just like so. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna wash my hand again and then rub it everywhere. And what actually inspired this fish, I'm thinking, it's a very cold evening and I'm thinking, should I just make like a okra soup? So you could use it for your soup, stews, you just name it. You could even use it to make your sandwich or a wrap or panini. Yeah? So I'm just going to let that sit for a few minutes while I wash the bowl and put everything away that I'm using for this recipe. And guys, tell me how your day is going. What have you been up to today? What time is it? At this time you're watching this video. And what's your plan for the evening or for the weekend? For me, I'm just going to have a quiet evening after a long day work, right? And just relax and watch some Netflix series. Okay, so I finished washing my bits and bob that I'm using for my recipe. So I'm just going to put this away very quickly. And then I will show you how to fold your fish, yeah, before you grill it. I'll show you exactly how it's done. I'm sure those of you that are Africans among us, you would have seen a fish looking like this in the market, right? It will be bent over like so, and it stays like that. So the trick to it is the mouth of the fish is open. So what you need to do is you need to bend it over and make sure the tail of the fish goes into the mouth just like so. Okay, and then you grab a toothpick or skewer, and then I'm going to pierce through the head right there, pierce it through the tail, over that way. Keep twisting. We're nearly there. Can you see it's coming out? Yeah. And then for the last part, you will just push it through like that. And there you go. And I will do the same. You might be wondering why this is looking open like that. The local fish, they tend to leave everything inside, but for me, I like to have everything cleaned out properly before I cook my fish. And I'll do the same thing for this other fish as well. Get the mouth open. Hello guys, I'm about to be making something yummy. Okay, so you bend it over and then you pierce through just like so, and then through the tail. Yeah, let's do that again. Push it through the tail and over just like so. Yeah, let's get our hands washed again. And I'm going to let it sit in this plate for another, let's say 3 minutes, while I clean the bits, because I like to clean as I go. Just let this sit here. Look at how pretty. Guys, help me look after or watch after my fish while I wash my chopping board, and I'll show you what's gonna be next, what we're gonna be doing. Okay. That is it. All washed. See, I'm doing this in real time for you guys so you can get the gist of it. Okay, so that's our fish already looking beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to be transferring it into our air fryer. Come on with me. Okay, guys, so we are where the air fryer is. So I would now be placing my fish into my air fryer, just like so. I will zoom in the camera so you can see exactly what we are working with. So that's my air fryer, right? And then I shall be transferring it into the actual air fryer and put it on. I'm going to be using my Ninja air fryer. I would be listing it in my Amazon storefront, and we're going to be using the air fryer mode, and that will be 200 degree, and that should be for 20 minutes, and then we hit start. Okay, so we shall be back in 20 minutes to see how our fish is doing. Once again, I would link this air fryer in my Amazon storefront. I would link it in the description so that you can have a look. If you want to get one, please help yourself. And I tell you, you will not regret investing in this. Okay, so I will see you in 20 minutes when fish is ready. So it's been 20 minutes and our fish has been cooking. Let's transfer it to the countertop. So that's my fish all done, air fried, and ready for me to use to make whatever dish I want to make it with. You will notice that some of the parts of the fish is actually like torn. It's okay because the fish is fresh. I mean, fresh. And let me grab that. Can you see how? Let's transfer it here. And let me get a knife. And if we do the script test, Can you hear it? Yeah. And it's juicy as well. Yeah. So that's our fish done. If you've enjoyed watching this video, oh, by the way, before I even say that, do you like what my countertop looks like? The video before this one was where I actually did a DIY project showing you guys how I achieved this. This is actually contact paper right here. And this process actually took me about an hour and a half from start to finish. So if you like to upgrade your countertop, have a look at that video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've loved it, please, drop me a comment, like this video, share it to your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and bye.